Okay, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with the Traveling Texans. So me, Megan, Ryan, and Heidi, we spent the last month in Nairn, Scotland. We just took the train and now we're in Glasgow, Scotland. We're gonna spend the next 4 weeks here before we go off to our next destination. And on this week's episode, or this month's episode of Traveling Texans Cribs, here's our crib in Glasgow, Scotland. All right, there's Heidi. She says hello. Ryan says hello. This is the little living area as soon as you walk in. Our door's here.
And then we have another door.
Yeah, we have another door. And then, what do we want to see first? Let's see this bedroom. I think I'm going to save the best for last. So, one thing that we've kind of discovered in the UK, it's hard to find like a king size bed. Or at least the places that we've stayed. Most of them are full size. Yeah, there's our street. So yeah, it's a good little spot. I'll be able to do some work right here. Stuff our clothes. We have the radiators. So there's no central heat, but they have these radiators. Sometimes they're electric and then sometimes they're run with hot water, which is pretty cool. Go to the other bedroom. I think this is going to be the kids' bedroom. A little closet area. Again, the radiator. It's very nicely furnished in here, like modern decor. You're gonna hear these kids like running around everywhere. Because whenever, oh yeah. Nice view of the garbage cans. Okay, I'm just kidding. We got a little, I think that's a shared garden down there. And then the high street, where all the shopping and everything is right over there. Yeah, these decorations. Simple, but clean. Oh, okay. So in the photos, they only had this with 2 chairs, but yeah, it's got 4, so that's good. That's our little dining table. Oh, Ryan's a statue. Here's my statue. It's very still. It's a good sized couch. We haven't had a chase, I don't know if ever. Big TV. So we can watch Cocomelon and Little Angel. And no adult shows, not until after 10 o'clock. Cool little kitchen that's kind of set apart from everything. I guess maybe that'll be our pantry. Ah, here it is. So we got some tea, coffee, some sugar, 3-in-1. I guess that's some 3-in-1 coffee. That's good because we like 3-in-1 coffee. We had that in starting in I think Thailand. I kind of hooked on it. It's so simple. Alright, some cooking oil. Here's the other statue. There we go, and some plates and bowls. Cool. So, yep, there's a shot of my statue, living room, and then this is one of the reasons why we really like this place. Not the chandelier, it's a nice touch though, is this. We haven't had like a good bathtub in a long time. We've got a nice one back home, but yeah, the standalone bathtub. Come in and take a nice warm bath. Hello. Easy to bathe the kids in that. Some of the places that we have only have a shower, and then also a standalone shower. That's pretty cool. They provide some toiletries. So you can have some like hotel-like goods there. But yeah, Megan's gonna be really looking forward to being able to take a bath in there. Totally not me, I don't take baths, it's for girls, right? So yeah, this is our home for the next 4 weeks. The statue keeps moving. Weird. I hope it doesn't pop up behind me again. I've already found all that stuff. There's a statue again. All right, let's do it like this. Hey, hope you enjoyed the tour of our place here in Glasgow. I'll put a link for the Airbnb in the description below. We appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.